10 natural and confident ways to greet new people in English. Have you ever stood in front of someone new, completely unsure of how to start a conversation in English? Maybe you've rehearsed, "Hello, how are you?" in your head 1,000 times, but when the moment arrives, it still feels awkward or robotic. Don't worry, you're not alone. The truth is, greetings are more than just polite words. They are the first step in building trust, making friends, and forming connections that can change your personal, academic, or professional life. When you greet someone with confidence and warmth, you set the tone for everything that follows. In this in-depth guide, we're going to explore 10 powerful real-life ways to greet people naturally in English, just like native speakers do. Whether you're meeting someone for the first time at work, school, a coffee shop, or online, these phrases will help you sound fluent, approachable, and truly yourself. Let's jump right in. 1. Hey, how's it going? This is one of the most popular and casual greetings in native English-speaking countries. It's friendly, relaxed, and makes you sound approachable. Best for casual meetups, classmates, coworkers, social media chats. Example: Hey, how's it going? I'm Liam. Just joined this group today. Why it works. It's less formal than "How are you?" and shows genuine interest in the other person's mood. Bonus tip: you don't need a long answer. A quick "good you" or "pretty good" works perfectly. 2. Hi there. I don't think we've met yet. This is perfect when you're introducing yourself in a new environment or joining an ongoing group conversation. Best for networking events, team projects, social circles. Example: Hi there. I don't think we've met yet. I'm Sophia. I just transferred from the LA office. Why it works. It opens the door for a two-way introduction and shows confidence and curiosity. 3. Nice to meet you. A classic staple in English introductions. Whether formal or informal, this phrase is always safe and polite. Best for first-time meetings, job interviews, formal events. Example: Hi, I'm Raphael. Nice to meet you. Upgrade it. After chatting, say, It was really nice meeting you. Hope we talk again soon. 4th, Hey, I've heard a lot about you. Use this when someone you've heard of is finally in front of you. This makes the greeting feel warm and personal. Best for friends of friends, work connections. Example: Hey, I've heard a lot about you from Priya. You're the one who makes amazing cupcakes, right? Pro tip: try adding a light compliment to make the other person feel valued. 5. Yo, what's up? Extremely casual and slangy, used mainly among teens or in laid-back friend groups. Best for texting friends, online gaming, relaxed settings. Example: Yo, what's up? Just saw you joined our group chat. Warning: avoid this in formal situations or with people you don't know well. 6. How do you do? More common in British English and very formal. It sounds elegant and polished. Best for formal occasions, meetings with executives or dignitaries. Example: Good morning. How do you do? I'm Henry White from the Ministry of Trade. Note: the expected response is simply to repeat the phrase, How do you do? 7. Hi, I'm Naim. Mind if I join you? A great icebreaker when you want to enter a new group without being awkward. Best for study groups, seminars, social tables. Example: Hi, I'm Naomi. Mind if I join you guys for lunch? Why it works. It's polite, respectful, and shows social awareness. 8. Hey there. I don't think we've met. Have we? Friendly and curious. It helps confirm whether you've met someone before. Best for large events, work mixers, clubs. Example: Hey there, I don't think we've met, have we? I'm Jordan from the marketing team. Why it works. Makes room for others to respond freely and continue the conversation. 9. It's great to finally meet you. Perfect when you've interacted online or heard about the person before. Best for online friends, email connections, business partners. Example, it's great to finally meet you. I've really admired your work. Bonus. Tip, combine this with a compliment or a reference to your last conversation. Patavada. Hi, I love your item, style, vibe. Compliments can be powerful openers. They show observation and positivity. Best for public meetups, casual interactions, making friends. Example, hi, I love your jacket. It's so unique. Where did you get it? Practice these greetings in front of a mirror or with a friend. Match your tone to the situation, casual or formal. Always smile. A smile is a universal language. Start small, even just one new greeting per day. Congratulations! You now have 10 strong, flexible, and native-style greetings at your fingertips. Here's the real secret. These greetings aren't just phrases, they're tools for building bridges with people, making genuine connections, and standing out with your confidence and charm. But just reading them isn't enough. You have to practice consistently to make these phrases part of your natural conversation. Say them out loud daily, even to yourself in the mirror. Use them in real interactions, at work, in class, or online. Mix and match phrases based on your situation and personality. Remember, your tone, smile, and energy say just as much as the words themselves. The right greeting can open doors to opportunities, friendships, and unforgettable moments. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start greeting people today. Challenge of the day. Greet at least 3 new people using one of the phrases you learned. Take note of how they react and how you feel afterward. If this guide helped you, be sure to like, share it with a fellow English learner, and follow along for more practical, real-life speaking tools. Until next time, stay kind, stay curious, and keep growing. The world is waiting to hear from you. World Map sparkles.